What's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome to my channel, and this video is about Realme X7. So 2 days back I have made an unboxing video of Flipkart retail unit of this Realme X7. So if you haven't checked that video out, I will give you a card in the video description right now. You can go ahead and check that video out. So in this video I'm going to share my impression after using this device almost 48 hours. So in this video I'm going to talk about a little bit about the performance, and also I have installed a couple of applications as you can see here. Also I'm going to show you the Geekbench Score as well as the speed test. It has 5G and how's the network response in general. So this video is going to be a short video, and this phone has a in-display fingerprint scanner. So in this video I'm also going to show you how this in-display fingerprint scanner works, and in general going to talk about this device, and also after using this device for 48 hours my impressions. So this Android device is pretty much close to stock Android, I would say. So I'm going to talk about all of that. But before that, if you're new here and happen to enjoy this kind of videos on my channel and would like to see many more videos just like this, do consider giving this video a thumbs up, and also it would really mean the world to me if you could just subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first things first, as you can see this is the Realme X7 and it has in-display fingerprint scanner. So the in-display fingerprint scanner is fast as you saw just now. So if I just tap on this in-display fingerprint scanner, so it unlocks the device within a second. So it's accurate and it's fast. So now let's talk about the variant that I have. So as you can see, this is a space silver model that I have opted for. And there is one more variant of this Realme X7 which is a color nebula, and that has dare to live written on the back. So I didn't like that, so I have opted for the space gray model. So then again, this is the device. So as I was saying that we're going to talk about the performance a little bit, but before that let me go to the settings and let me show you the specification of this device. So now if I go to this additional settings, or if I go to this about phone, let me focus my camera, and as you can see this device runs on Realme UI version 1 and this Realme X7 runs on Android 10 as you can see. So this is supposed to get Android 11 update pretty soon. Not sure when, but this is supposed to get Android 11 update. So we are expecting an Android 11 update pretty soon. Now let's talk about the Geekbench Score. So I have installed the Geekbench and already run it. As you can see, the single score CPU is 591 and the multi-score CPU is 1772. So these are the scores, and this is how it performs when compared to all other flagships and all other devices, as you can see. So the performance wise, I would say it's not bad, because it is this Realme UI is pretty much close to stock Android. As you can see, not a lot of bloatware that I'm able to see. Few of the bloatwares are there, but if you want you can actually uninstall those. And also if you swipe left, you are presented with this Google pane. So this is pretty much useful, I would say. You can customize this Google pane according to your choice, and you can get the news updates and weather updates just like that. So it is pretty much close to stock Android, and also you have your notification sets and control center just like this. It is pretty much close to stock Android. So now let's talk about the speed test. So many of you guys have commented on my unboxing video that would like to see the speed test. So let me show you that I have a broadband connection, which is not a very high speed internet connection that I have. I have only 35 Mbps of connection, but let's just start the speed test. So it is just starting the speed test right now. Let's see how much of download speed and how much of upload speed we get. So as you can see, it is just reaching 24 megabytes. Yesterday I have ran the speed test and it reached around 32 Mbps of your download and upload speed. So as you can see, the download speed was completed and it came around 28.8 megabits per second, and upload speeds are also fine. So upload speeds are touching around 32 and 30 megabits per second. So as you can see, this is how the phone is performing in terms of speed test with my broadband connection. So let me know in the comment section whether do you have any queries specific, or you want me to make any specific videos on this phone. I've been using this device now for 48 hours and I plan to keep this device for next 6 months. So also gonna make some of the videos whenever the Android 11 update is available, and also whenever a new update comes in I will show you that as well. So in the meantime I plan to make the camera review as well, and also let's talk about this display. So this display is a Super AMOLED display, and let me tell you that I have Netflix here. Let me open the Netflix. So this Netflix actually works very well. So I was watching a movie yesterday night and the colors looks accurate, and this has support for wide wine L1, so the black looks black, and apart from that it has Super AMOLED display. So the movie watching experience was really great, so I would like to mention that. So if you're planning to purchase this device for media consumption, then you would be absolutely satisfied with that. So then again, I hope you liked this video, and in general performance was good. So there was no stutter and lag that I am able to notice as of now with this stock kind of UI. So let me know in the comment section how do you like the video and what are all the videos that you would like me to make on Realme X7. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.